Shark, you hungry?
Third, what have you been up to? What was that sound?
Day 67 of my cat trying to scare me.
Meow, 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 ow!
She was a fairy.
Is our cat is outside too.
Oh my god!
I thought today was your day with the brain cell. What happened?
I do, ba do, ba do, I do.
Are you hungry?
See? It's alright. It's all good.
No.
Bitch. Excuse me?
Katie, what are you doing out here? Did I not see you before?
I mean, guys, sorry, the cats are doing something stupid again, and that's just...
Hey, you get down the fiddle and you get down the bow. Kick off your shoes and you throw 'em.
Go, baby, go. Scare him. Get him, Toast. Get him. Oh my god!
And that's not it. That looks like a house cat.
You bastard.
I do, ba do, ba do.
Since before they were eggs.
about to bite me.
Did he?
Don't do it. I'm so vulnerable right here. I'm sorry. Ay, qué bonito.
Are you mad I brought a baby to your house?
My boy?
Why?
Такое, чтобы кошка нападала на нас.
Sit.
Ew, she has a hairball in her mouth.
Did you just do that by himself?
Yep.
What's that so hard? Well, why is it?
It's gonna be hot.
I'm sorry.
Can you hold the fuck?
You're not gonna react? Oh.
Hey, we're friends, huh? Now get the hell up out of here.
Here, kitty. You can has cheeseburger.
Oh my.
What are you looking at?
Been entertaining us in the studio for about 15.
You got some right here.
Why wouldn't you lift your face above?
What are you working on? Oh!
You good?
What are you doing? Oh no.
Hey, producer. Check out the frosting. Oh, buddy.
To his feet. Is he going to deliver? Sweet! Oh!
Speed, bitch. I'll show you some real speed.
Nous, quand il y avait plusieurs enfants, quand il y avait 7 enfants, on mettait jusqu'à 1200 euros de course par mois.
Oh, she's not. Oh, so sorry about that.
I'm not helping you. You're screwed.
Oh. Hi, how you doing?
Para de me lamber, eu não peguei o cachorro, não. Eu não peguei os dois.
What's going on, man?
Just looking to